Yo, this is serious. So we got a 1990 Jaguar XJ6. This is a 4.0 liter. That's a big engine. The V6. It came in for Misfire, so we did some tests, and then we found out that these injectors here, 1, 2, and 3, had an issue. Part of it was because some of it weren't connected well, so we decided to clean it, test it to be sure, and then we also cleaned the injectors up. And then we connected everything back, and the car is sounding beautiful. Well, the car was sounding beautiful, but we didn't just want to leave it there because over here, safety is our brand. So we wanted to make sure that everything is set. So what we did was we changed the spark plugs over here, and then we also changed the wire sets. We didn't touch the distribution cap. Neither did we also didn't touch the ignition coil over here with where my hand is pointing. We didn't touch that, but we made sure that we changed the basic things, and then also, of course, we changed the mass airflow filter. But then we also found out that the brake fluid was leaking, and this was an issue. This is the pump issue. The pump was leaking, so we changed the whole piece, the dryer and the pump down here, which was leaking. We changed it. And now we're about to put in the fluid. We're using a .4 as required by manufacturers, and we're making sure that this car is going home smooth and making sure the engine is going to be running. Wow. So like y'all know what it is. Just make sure you come over to Gadol, bring in your cars, and we will take care of your car for you and make it sound beautiful, better than it was when you brought it in. Thank you once again for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great year, and God bless. Peace out.